Okay, today we will be replacing a fluorescent ballast. So safety first, remember to shut off the power and verify the power is off before replacing a ballast. Also, I want to mention the NEC now requires these luminaire disconnects or some means of disconnecting the luminaire, the hot and neutral wires. In this video, I'm actually just going to use the wall switch as my means of disconnect for the fluorescent fixture that I'm working on. And here's a ballast I'm replacing. Whenever you replace a ballast, be sure to read all the information on this sticker to be sure you order the correct replacement ballast. Okay, so you can see the ballast is dead. I already tried replacing the fluorescent U-tubes. That didn't work. So it usually means you got a bad ballast. You can also inspect your lamp holders to make sure they're not burnt or broken. Check for power at them. I'll start by removing the old U-tubes. And this cover. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the power here now for safety. There we go. Now, even though I shut the power off, I'm still going to use a non-contact voltage tester to test the circuit to make sure it's dead. Good to go. So I usually start by cutting the wires. Cut all the wires that are connected to the ballast close to the ballast, leaving the wires plenty long enough to connect up the new ballast. And that way this ballast can't be mistaken and try to be reused. This one's simply held in place by one nut. And the other side just slots in to the fixture. I'll show you a close-up view. And go ahead and install the new ballast. So again, I'll slide the one side in the slot and then attach my nut to the other side. Pretty simple. And again, there's a wiring schematic on the ballast that you can look at, but it's fairly straightforward. Black to black, white to white, red to red, blue to blue. I'm just trimming off the excess wire that I don't need. And just going to use some simple wire nuts to make my wire connections. Okay, with the wiring complete here, we can go ahead and reinstall the cover. Careful not to pinch any of your wires when you're putting on this cover. Then we'll go ahead and install our U-tubes. Give you a closer look. Now with the U-tubes installed, we'll go ahead and turn the power back on. There you go, back in business. I hope this short video tutorial helped you. It's pretty easy to change a fluorescent ballast. And if you are a facilities professional or have a team of facilities maintenance technicians, here's a great maintenance handbook you can consider, available on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the video description below here. It has A lot of reference material, common documents and signage used in facilities, shop equipment drawings. I think you'll find it pretty helpful. And we'll take a look at the table of contents here. I hope this helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.